In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to style your GoHighLevel survey. We'll start inside your account, create a survey from a ready-made template, add the form elements you need, and then style it so it looks on-brand and easy to complete. I'll also point out the live preview so you can see your design come together before you save. Begin by opening your GoHighLevel sub-account and signing in. From the main navigation, click Sites. This is where all your web assets live. Next, move your mouse over Surveys and select Builder. That opens the survey workspace where you'll set everything up. Inside the builder, click Add Survey. When the options appear, choose from Templates, then Continue. You'll see a collection of templates designed for different use cases. Pick the one that best matches your goal, whether that's a quick feedback form or a more detailed intake, and click Choose. Starting with a template saves time and gives you a solid structure to edit. It also ensures consistent spacing and typography from the start, which makes the rest of your styling faster and more predictable. Now you're in the editor with your survey canvas in the center. On the side panel, you can add elements. Simply click an element and drag it to the exact spot you want on the canvas. Place the core questions first, then any optional fields. If you change your mind, just drag elements again to reorder them. Keep the layout clean and logical so respondents can move through it without confusion. When your questions are in place, it's time to style. Click Settings, then open the Message Styling area. Here, you can change the background to match your brand or campaign. Pick a color that complements your logo and keeps text readable. If you're using images or patterns, make sure they're subtle enough that labels and placeholders remain clear. Good contrast and generous spacing go a long way toward improving completion rates. Aim for a calm, uncluttered look that guides the eye from the title to the button without distractions. As you make adjustments, look at the live preview at the top. It updates instantly, so you can confirm that colors, spacing, and overall balance feel right before you publish. If something looks off, tweak the background or rearrange an element until it flows naturally. Once everything looks the way you want, click Save. That locks in your design and gets the survey ready for use across your pages, funnels, or links. And that's it. You've created, customized, and styled a GoHighLevel survey with a professional finish.